Hey everyone, it's John McKinney here. In this video, I'm kind of just showing you a few things that myself and my friends and my family did on our snow day here in Chattanooga early in January of 2025. If you don't mind, please like and subscribe to this channel. I'm trying to get a bunch of followers and I make videos when I travel around the world. So yeah, please hit that like and subscribe, and hope you enjoy this video of what we did on our snow day in Chattanooga.
Chattanooga got buried in a snowstorm. Snow kept falling through the day non-stop. It wouldn't quit. You can say that snow's a rare occurrence, say it never happens. But as for me and the doggies, we were shocked. Lord, we believe. It started out that morning, just a flurry in the air, a little flurry. By the time we hit the afternoon, it was wild. There was snow piled up on everything out there. It was everywhere. When we ventured out to see it, just to marvel at the scene, look at all that snow. We saw sleds and folks with snowmen. What a sight. And snowballs flying back and forth between. Chattanooga got buried in a snowstorm. Snow kept falling through the day non-stop, all day long. You can say that snow's a rare occurrence, say it never happens. But as for me and the doggies, we were shocked. Lord, we believe. Now the city came together for a snow-filled kind of day. So much fun. We saw kids on hills with sleds in hand, sliding fast, and traffic wasn't moving anyway. It's a snowstorm we'll remember, with the flakes so deep and wide. Snow in the south, though it brought a lot of chaos. Look around, we all felt such joy we couldn't hide. Chattanooga got buried in a snowstorm. Snow kept falling through the day non-stop. Oh, it kept going. You can say that snow's a rare occurrence, say it never happens. But as for me and the doggies, we were shocked. Lord, we believe. Now the cocoa's on the table and the doggies are asleep. Such a day. It's a winter day for Chattanooga. Won't forget. A snow-filled memory we'll always keep.